This is Timea from Advanced Machinery, and I'm going to be showing you how to install your Flexi Sign software. But first, you'd go to Start, then you'd go to your computer. Now in computer, you'll see this little A icon. You're going to click on it, then right click and go Open. Then you will see that there are different folders, but the one you're looking for is the V-Smart Vinyl Cutter with contour cutting. In here, you'll also find more folders, but the one you want is Flexi Cloud Edition. Then you're going to go to the Install folder. In the Install folder, you're going to scroll down until you find your Setup application. Then you're going to say Yes. Yes to English unless you want another language. Then you go Next. I accept. Then Next. 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 And now what it's doing now is configuring the software installation. Now first it's going to configure the software, then the second time it configures, it's going to configure the software and the computer to work better with each other. Now we're currently running a competition to win a V-Smart 440. So basically to enter, what you have to do is submit your entry form with up to 3 designs. You have to design something around the AM logo. And then we're going to cut it on the vinyl cutter, take a picture of it, and then put it up on Facebook. Then we're going to send you the links, and what you're going to do is you're going to get as many people as possible to like it. And then the one with the most likes at the end of the competition will win the V-Smart. The reason why we choose Flexi is because it is one of the cheaper softwares. Also, we don't have any problems with it when using Windows 8. But with ArtCut we do. It has compatibility issues, it doesn't want to cut. So you also get other vinyl cutting softwares, but they are the more pricey softwares. You're looking at least 7,500 to 17,000 Rand for the software. So the reason we choose the Flexi is it is the cheaper software and we haven't really had any problems with it. You don't have to install the Flexi. You can install a Corel plugin for your Corel. If you're using Adobe, you can also install a plugin. If you're using AutoCAD, you can install the AutoCAD sender. And then the reason that we're doing the competition is to basically to give designers a chance to also win the machine and just try. It's a very nice machine as well. It's going to take a few more minutes, and then I'm going to come back in about 2 seconds when it's done installing. It's almost done installing. Now it's going to configure the software installation to run more smoothly. Then once it's done configuring, you're going to put in your activation code. Your activation code comes in an envelope when you purchase it with the machine or separately. The reason we use an activation code is because there is no actual stock, so it's unlimited. We prefer also the activation code because it is also the cheaper software. Then when it brings up the activation code, then you're going to put in the activation code. Then once you've got it in, then you're going to click Next, then it's going to communicate. Now you need to be online for it to communicate because it needs to connect to the SAI cloud. Then it's going to communicate, and once it's done communicating, it's going to say license successful. Then you're going to say finish. Then what it's going to do is it's going to upload your Flexi Sign shortcuts, and in the next episode I'll be explaining why the FlexiSTARTER has 2 shortcuts and why the production manager is separate. You're going to say finish, and you're going to go into your Flexi Sign software. Now, with the Flexi Sign, in the next episodes I'll be showing you how to cut out a Flexi with 5 easy steps, how to trace an image and import it into Flexi and cut the image using Flexi, how to break a traced image. So if you have any questions, suggestions or comments, you can go to our Facebook page, YouTube, or any other social network that we're on. And this is the Flexi Sign software.